track to ourselves.
Yeah.
Every Mark IV Golf has lots of stories to tell, and this one has definitely another one to tell, and many more before that, because right now the car has over 320,000 kilometers on the clock, so I'm sure it has seen some ride ever since, or since it's from Finland, you could say it's seen some perkele. Yeah, other than that, it has a quite interesting additional story. Because who of you is studying in Finland, you said?
Both of us.
Both of you? Yeah, two brothers who approached me saying like, hey, we're here at the ring, would you like to do a lap? And I said, well, we'll have a few more minutes, I guess we can squeeze you in somehow, because it's actually a car I haven't driven before. So sorry, I've done plenty of F-Series already, so tomorrow is your turn. You'll have to wait for tomorrow. But I haven't done a GTI Mark IV yet, so you know what, let's hop in and do a lap. But do very, very, very easy, because, well, 320,000 kilometers, car has never seen tracks, I assume, before, unless some like Finnish ice hockey or like moose hunting kind of vibe, so I don't even know. Okay, all the stereotypes aside, it was fantastic. We survived. I didn't push it because of already before mentioned reasons, but anyway, Mark IV GTI, 4-liter turbocharged engine, the first turbocharged GTI, because the Mark III was still NA as far as I think. Do you know, guys? I think Mark III was still NA.
Yeah, Mark III.
Yeah, probably. Anyway, or not.
Yeah.
2 liter, yeah, I told you.
But without a turbo, huh?
No, without a turbo.
Yeah, so
2
it's like...
liter.
Can be both. GTI can be both? Not a turbo diesel, but...
1.8 20 valve turbo engine.
Oh, really?
Newer ones. Yeah, maybe.
Ah, so it's maybe facelift was that then. Oh, nice. Well, OG Mark III was then probably then GTI, then NA. Anyway, some history that we need to figure out. So, pretty much fully stock car with just some different wheels, I guess, and of course updated tires. Those were actually quite good.
The wheels came with this model only.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a 25th
they are BBSs from
Wow.
the factory.
Wow, wow, wow. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that looks very good, and it yeah, it felt also very nice and light. Advanced Sport tires, V107. Brakes stock-ish with Brembo pads, but that's in my book pretty much stock, and you could feel it that they were stock. That's why we didn't use them much. Interior, 25-year edition. What we also need to mention, it is a Golf 25-year edition. As of today, 25 years later, we have already Golf GTI 50-year edition that I think was celebrated last year during the 24 hours of Nürburgring by Volkswagen. I do not remember, so we can assume that this is a 25-year-old car then, probably.
20, yeah, a 25-year-old, yeah, but now today it's a 23-year-old.
Ah, really? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
When they did it, it was 25 years.
Yeah, but I mean, now
it's a 23.
Okay, 23, so then it's like almost. Regardless, you guys both studying in Finland, but you're going now to Lebanon.
Yeah,
So the car is going to Lebanon, so that's another story to tell to the car. So that's why it was for me also extra interesting, like, you know, to put a lap on the odometer of the Mark IV GTI. So it was quite a nice lap. It would be nice to one day experience like a built one or something. Actually, we've done a built GTI, but it had a different kind of engine last year. I remember it was like a very specially built one. So yeah, having said that, a stock one we drove on now, and it's very good. Anyway, we're starting to talk nonsense. I hope you guys enjoy a very easy lap. I think it was quite nice and easy. And you too, and thanks.
Yes.
Have a good trip.
Yes,
Thank you.
And who knows, I'll see you again. Maybe. And I definitely also need to come to Lebanon myself, because you have an amazing kitchen.
Anytime welcome. Our house is yours.
Awesome, awesome. Well, one day. For now, enjoy the video.
Yeah, let's go.
Nice and easy lap. I think it's a great idea to push a 320,000 kilometer car with a check engine like.
Yeah, that's fine for Volkswagen.
track to ourselves.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's of course a faster Porsche behind.
It's always the Porsches.
Yep. Yeah, well, I'm like driving like 30% of what we can do. 40%, yeah, because it's the brakes, they're like not there.
Not there,
the engine, I don't want to over push it. There's a vibration of the front left wheel coming, so you guys need to go all the way to Lebanon. So
I'm gonna ship it from Hamburg.
Okay.
That's why.
Well, you still need to go all the way to Hamburg, so and I need to go back home, so I also want to make it in time for dinner, you know. To put my kid to bed.
But man, like I can't imagine what 100% is if this is 30.
Have you been on track before? Here?
First time.
So you haven't done a lap before?
No, we have.
Oh, we have done a lap.
Okay, so you have a carousel picture.
What?
You've been in the carousel.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm not gonna take it to save the car.
Oh, okay.
Because you already have it anyway.
I thought. you think of the car?
It's amazing. I love Mark IVs. They're good. It's like the only thing they're missing is like independent rear suspension because of the solid beam axle. But the handling is fantastic. I think it's like the best car ever made.
Oh,
Like people's car, you know. It's like it has
Yeah.
everything. You have aircon, you have comfort, you have traction, you have the looks.
yeah.
It's timeless. It's for me. It's amazing.
Yeah.
And 320,000 kilometers later, it's still
Still
sending on the ring.
like running like nothing.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And now the car has another story to tell.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
Never selling it now.
Yeah, amazing.